Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to make specific text paragraphs read-only to other editors in Microsoft Word. This instantly locks down your critical disclaimers, legal terms, or core instructions while keeping the rest of the document completely open for collaborative editing. First, open your document layout in Microsoft Word and highlight the specific paragraphs you want to remain editable. Look at the main navigation toolbar running across the top of your interface and click on the Review tab. Move your eyes to the absolute far right edge of the ribbon options menu and click the button explicitly labeled Restrict Editing. A vertical configuration panel will slide open instantly on the right side of your primary screen display. Look down at section number 2, headed Editing Restrictions, and check the box next to Allow only this type of editing in the document. Keep the default drop-down choice menu directly beneath it set strictly to No Changes, Read Only. Move down to the Exceptions Tracking section and check the box next to Everyone to allow editing on only your highlighted text blocks. Drop down to section number 3, headed Start Enforcement, and click the button labeled Yes, Start enforcing protection. A pop-up box will appear Layout. Type a secure tracking password to prevent unauthorized unlocking, then click OK. Now, all unselected paragraphs are completely grayed out and locked as read-only, while your chosen exceptions stay fully active for edits. And that's it. Your selective text layer locking configuration is now completely optimized and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.